Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Keval Vijay and Today I am going to teach you lecture 35 in MS Excel 2021. Today we will talk about GoalSeek. By using GoalSeek in MS Excel, you can achieve results much faster. So, as always, before starting the lecture, I would like to say that if you are able to learn something new from today's video, please make sure to like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. As you can see this one table on the screen that I have some subjects written here, and the open marks are total marks. And here I have also given the percentage that you have open marks here. Here we have 5 subjects and the total open marks that we have is 309 and the total marks we have is 500. And in this way, the percentage that is being formed is open is 62%, but here we have to bring it 8% or 80%. We have to bring it here. So how many marks should we enter in the computer so that we have this T% here? So for this, what you have to do is you click on this cell here, and then after that, you have to go to data. And after going to data, you will click on T analysis. And after that, you have to click on round SIG. As if we click on round SIG, then you will see this round SIG box in front of you. A small one will open if you have clicked here or somewhere else. Then also you can click here again. Then you have to select the self. Then after that, in the to value, you have to write the value here as to how many percentage marks you want. For example, we will type 8% here. One thing will be taken care of, that if you have given the symbol of percentage here, you will give the symbol of percentage here. Otherwise, there will be a difference in your answer. So here, give 8%. If there is no symbol of percentage here, then there is no need to give it. So we have given the symbol here. So you have to add this symbol with shift in this way, and I will tell you about how to add this symbol at the end of the lecture. Then after this, you have to click on by chasing self. After clicking on by chasing self, you have to click on that self in which you want to bring open marks, how many more marks should be obtained. Then go and click here. Once we have the percentage of 100%, you have to click on by changing self. Then after that, click on the computer cell here and then click OK. You will see the magic here. If you get 91 marks in your computer, then you will automatically get 100%. So in this way, you can solve this problem. And after that, if you want to get the sign of the percentage here, like if you apply the formula here, multiply this equal to 100 marks by 100 here, divided by the total marks. And after that, we are not getting only 100% here. And if you click on home and click on percentage here, then see it is coming in 1000%. So how to convert this into 100%? It's one easy way is that you click here. After clicking, you have to type 1 here. After typing, you have to give the sign of percentage here, shift, and then after that, you have to press number 5. After giving the sign of percentage, you have to select it here and copy it. After copying, if you want to present it to us here, then you click here. After clicking, you have to go to Paste Special. Then you have to click on Home. Below Paste, you will see this arrow here. You will click on it. You will come to Paste Special, and after that, you have to click on Multiply and click on K. Then see you have got T% here. So in this way, you can convert any value here with the sign of percentage. So this was my today's lecture about GoalSeek. I hope today's lecture will be a reason for increasing your knowledge. If you like the video, then like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.